Hello everyone, this is Rufeda. We are four siblings, Isa, Muhammad, Rufeda and Ibrahim. Isa being 16, Muhammad 15, me 12 and Ibrahim 11. We have made this channel for your entertainment during this pandemic. 1/5 of our earning from this channel will go to charity. So if you want us to continue making these videos, please subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell. Today we'll be showing you how to make peri peri sauce. First, take many different types of peppers. Take 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Take 1.5 tablespoon of oil and 1.5 tablespoon of vinegar. Take 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and half a tablespoon of salt. And then take 1.5 tablespoon of red chilli powder. Now add all these ingredients in a blender. Now blend. And the peri peri sauce is now ready.